So friends, just a few days drinking this. I have pictures at the end. You will see for yourself how this has melt down my belly and my belly fat all gone. My tummy is all down. Like, just watch and you'll see everything at the end. So the first thing you need is some cucumber. Yeah, cucumbers are very good at supporting your system to flush every bad stuff out. They support your liver. Your liver loves cucumbers because they are alkalizing to heal and leave your liver in good state to in turn flush all those bad things out of you, like bad fats, waste, toxins. So if you have excess fats in your system, cholesterol issues making you gain weight, get cholesterol issues, fatty liver and the rest, like this cleanses you for utmost health as well. That is why cucumbers are one of the most healthiest vegetables you can ever think of. So this is one cucumber. The second very powerful ingredient I add is carrot. Yes, carrots cleanse your organs and they in turn work well. You know, when you've neglected your organs, that is why your metabolism is slow. You need to activate your metabolism with foods like these. So once you eat some carrots, the beta carotene helps to cleanse your blood, cleanse your liver, cleanse your entire system, and it intends become tend to be so like active, and your metabolism speeds up and you burn your fat super fast. That is the magic with carrots. Yeah, so we are adding two carrots. Plus carrots bring in taste in your recipe without you having to add anything to make it nice in the mouth. You know, carrots are already, you know, they already have a very beautiful taste and flavor, so you don't need to add any sugars. And yeah, so those are two carrots you set aside. Now the third ingredient I add is lemon, for two reasons: because they contain a lot of that citric acid, which helps to prevent fat accumulation in the system, as well as break down fat buildup in your system and help your system to flush it all out, boost your immune system, and your system tends to be so active to in turn burn fat like super fast. That is why I use lemons. They are very good. They break sugars, and you know those sugar build up in your system, slowing your metabolism. They flush everything all out, and your system tends to be so active. And that is why you see most people, like 100% of people, will always drink lemon juice or lemon water for fat burning because of the benefits of lemon. Yeah, so this is it. You want to take out the seeds, slice the lemons, and you're good. Vitamin C equally helps. So after drinking this, it will not only help you burn that fat, it will leave your skin as well so beautiful and healthy. Yeah, you have so like beautiful healthy skin, because when all those bad stuffs are out of you, you radiate from the inside. So these are the two lemons sliced and set aside. I equally add a quarter size of pineapple. Yeah, pineapples, the bromelain in pineapple, that enzyme is very powerful at boosting your system to burn fat super fast. Plus I love the taste and flavor of pineapple. It makes the juice so yummy and so healthy, because this contains a lot of vitamins and minerals as well. Pineapples contain vitamin C, so many vitamins and minerals, we can keep listing and listing and listing. So you want to slice up your pineapple and set that aside. So not a lot of ingredients, just a few, and watch how this will do magic to your system. Like, you will see my picture and confirm if you really know me. Yeah, so the last thing I'll be adding will be apple cider vinegar, and I'll share with you the quantity and how to add this. Apple cider vinegar, I always add it in my intense recipes because for two reasons. Firstly, it will curb your appetite. Once you drink this in the morning, it curbs your appetite and you don't feel like eating too much during the day, which is helping you in turn to burn fat. Plus, it boosts your system to burn fat as well super fast. Or if you don't have a juicer, you can always use your blender and use a cloth to squeeze out the juice But having a juicer is, it makes life easy, and it doesn't take a lot of time, and you end up with a very concentrated juice as well. In no time you get your juice, you save the time of squeezing the juice out. And yeah, so that was the cucumber I did already. This is the 2 carrots. Just juice everything all out. If you don't have a juicer and you're interested, I can leave you a link of how I got mine. These I've been using for like 4 years now, and I can tell you, this is, if you know me, you know this is my juicer, and it does the job for me. My juice comes out really good, and you know, and yeah. So this is it, and I don't throw the raw fish. You see the raw fish, I don't throw it. You just need to add in another fruit in there and drink as your fat burning smoothie. That, because that is fiber, that is dietary fiber you need for a healthy weight loss journey. Yeah, you don't want to eat a lot of calories. This is what you want to eat. So you can just add this in your blender and add some fresh pineapple or orange, one orange in the blend, so you get your smoothie for the day, and that is it. Very fat burning. So now this is when I add in the apple cider vinegar. After I juice my ingredients, I go ahead and add in 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, which gives me 1 tablespoon. Yeah, so 2 teaspoons give you 1 tablespoon of this, half a tablespoon, so it gives me 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to add in my juice. Now you want to give it a good mix everything to one consistency. And when I say this is powerful and very concentrated, you can see for yourself. Look at my tummy, like I've shredded a lot of tummy fat, and I'm so proud of myself. So now what you want to do is to transfer your juice in a bottle, and you want to drink this throughout the day, and I'll share with you how to consume it. Once you transfer it, you want to keep it in a cool place, preferably in your refrigerator, so it stays potent for like 3 days. So you need to drink like 4 of this a day for 3 days, and trust me when I say you'll come back thanking me. Trust my words. And this is it. You need 1 of this in the morning on an empty tummy, 1 before your meal, 1 after your meal, 1 last thing at bedtime. These concentrated shots. That is how you drink it. 4 a day. Morning on an empty tummy, before your meal, your heavy meal of the day, which is should not be really bad heavy meal. After your meal, something healthy and light. You want to reduce your calories as well. And trust me, drink this for 3 days with something healthy like soup. You will be so amazed as to how this will help you flush that tummy fat all out. Yeah, avoid bad food please while doing this, and you will love the results. So share with your family and friends. Make sure to come back and tell me how it went for you, because I'm so impressed. You saw my picture for yourself, and yeah, so I'll be waiting. Share with your family and friends, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.